Great stay, highly recommended, fantastic value for money. Exceptional cleanliness. Room size is a bit small, other than that it was an amazing stay. Good, awesome. Exceptional good location, easy to check in and out, very accessible to transportation. Exceptional nice, very nice. Exceptional nice, very nice. Comfortable short stay. Rooms were well equipped and provided all necessities. A couple of shops nearby for those who need to purchase anything, and a Macca's nearby too. Mrs. Very nice staff, very humble, friendly. All good, I love everything about my stay. The staff THT attended us is very helpful, and he can even speak in Bahasa. Great, perfect, great staff, and front desk helped us with our bags too. Would definitely stay here again, thank you. Short stay 5 minutes from T3/4, perfect for short stay during a FIFO site transfer. Awesome convenience, basic and clean, cheapish too. Value for money. Stayed here one night for the convenience of heading to the airport the next day. The staffs are helpful. The location is good and food can be found nearby. Perfect location, room was clean and breakfast was excellent. Amazing experience, very convenient, and will definitely be a frequent customer as I do FIFO job. FIFO worker quite rooms, staff are great, close to the airport, walk to get food, and has a kitchen downstairs. Clean, safe, free parking close to airport, safe, friendly.